Mawuyi leader abantu bangasho ukuthi futhi bathukana abantu bayenzani wena mawuyi leader kunamagama ekungamelanga wakhuluma yabo kunamagama ekungamelanga wakhuluma ngoba manje nawe ungabanga ubutsotsi ungaboni kwabanye abantu abaqabanga ngaleyo level. You must think about them as well because you are leading them as well. You don't lead smart people. So even no Mr. Mkhunu 49 yabona ngizwile kunoba ubaba ubuzile lapho nalento atabutitse imono are man honakala bona jwale da TV ya ka diphanga jwale le lesabatho la wabona batho ba bale ya jwale ntwe ke ntwa phele re bona those who are looting, those who are criminalizing things in terms of much in the name of much and much, they must go to prison. Bakwalwe bawo wabona gona those days bafethu re tshepisana di power matla I'm powerful. Why re tlamile re da no powerful physically go work nigga.
Oh yeah,
go work. If you are powerful physically hey wabona go lift heavy things there with your physicality. Esika re kwatshisa ka yona and bafethu to fix things peaceful. It doesn't mean you are a coward. It doesn't mean you are stupid. It means you are smart. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Apa is your host with the most. Thank you very much, bafethu. Siyabonga njengenjwayelo. Ama-subscribers wethu ngiyabona niyangena bafethu even today. Thank you very much, ngiyanibonga kakhulu bafethu. Niqhubeke nishare ama-video, niklike lapho ama-likes lapho lokho-ke kusupport i-channel bafethu. Kuya-support i-channel sesizwile sibonile siyazibonela. Thank you very much. Njengoba ngangishilo bafethu ukuthi le channel it's not about being personal nabobane personal in we don't spread thina violence. We condemn 110% violence. We spread peace, we spread respect, we spread uthando, love, which is us. uNkulunkulu senze ngothando, asenzwanga thina ngeyitena njengendlu yabo. Thina senziwe ngothando, kusho ukuthi manje sothando thina mselufu sine build in thando. Yangithola. Siyabonga bafethu. Hey bengibukele i-leadership yasemzansi in particular uNhlanhla Lux no Mr. Mkhunu. Bafethu niyayiphusha, siyabonga bafethu. Mina ngizibongela nje ngoba kunalento eniphushayo most enikhulume ngayo kakhulu mangimamele your latest videos bafethu ukuthi hey ni spread peace, anifuni ukuliwe yabo ngoba manje kuzofa isizwe bafethu. Ngiyabonga ukuthi niya understand that I think yabo, but kunabantu bebaloko ba criticize uNhlanhla ukuthi uNhlanhla ufaka amanzi ngomsela in yabo. So that is why mina ngidedicate le video to talk about leadership, you know, leadership. But ke ngizothatha ama example la kubo Nhlanhla yabo. Kunenye into bafethu ekumele uyiunderstand mawi leader. I'm not saying I'm teaching you, yabona. I'm just putting my opinion out there ngoba nami nginibhekile nikhuluma ngami nami ngum-South Africans. Fair game, right? Thank you very much. And manje sinabantwana ababhekile lento ngoba futhi uNhlanhla ngiyamazi udume kakhulu ngokuthi ulwela abantwana, yabona, nabantu abadala and nation as a whole, as much as uMr Mkhunu naye, yabo. So mawuyi-leader bafethu, ngi-understanda ukuthi kumele u-understand ezinye izinto. Into yokuqala mawuyi-leadership uba emotional intelligence, yabona. Wena kunamagama ekungamelanga wakhulume because uqabangela abantu labo balidayo. Khumbula ukuthi you are leading the leaders. If you are a leader now, you must understand that you are the leader of the leaders. Labantu balidayo nabo ama-leader in their own right. I-respect yakho izohlala right, and then uzokwazi ukuhlala uqabanga ukuthi amanye amagama mina, even though those people that I'm leading, they can say those words. Words like, hey, sinama-balls nathi, yabona, nathi sokata, akekho ozonibamba, yabona, those kind of words. Yes. Yabona, amagama ukuthi bafethu, it's like kulabantu abalidayo estrateni. Remember ukuthi asilingani ngomcabango mfethu. Abanye abantu bathatha into ekhulumayo abayi-analyze, abanye abantu bayayi-analyze. Kulabo balidayo si different la. Kunabanye on the deepest level of the ground, yabona, abazophenduka ubutsotsi mainly because of their leader show them this and say this, said this. You understand? Mawuyi-leader abantu bangasho ukuthi futhi bathukana abantu bayenzani. Wena mawuyi-leader kunamagama ekungamelanga wakhulume, yabo, kunamagama ekungamelanga wakhulume ngoba manje nawe ungabanga ubutsotsi ungaboni. Yes. Kwabanye abantu abaqabanga ngaleyo level. You must think about them as well because you are leading them as well. You don't lead smart people, yeah, or people that can think that far, because now with this smart thing, I believe everyone is smart. Yes. So now mawukhuluma lento kwabanye abantu uyiveza as if somebody is gonna fight them when you say no one can touch them. Ujetsa Basotho la braya, wabona. Yeah, ke ratile every speech, don't get me wrong. Ke ratile that video. There is peace, there is respect, there is boundaries, there is everything there. O hlomphana re ba ke batho le bana ke batho. Ke ratile ntho e bontate ka fela lona Nhlanhla Lux, wabona. But you now as a leader, wabona, you as a leader, ona le mantso sa tlamehang ho bua hobane on the street yes we be nkare ona le batho ba itseng batlo attacka Basotho. A ke tsebe ba utlwile jwang le di video ku tlile bontate da ntse ba bua da or ne ntho ne se hlale di social media le di one tolerate. But now nage ke re as a leader wena ona le mantso sa tlamehang ho bua hobane a hla blind ko bathong ba different, wabona. Ditsotsi tse ka le buile da hore ditsotsi di nka di chance, wabona. Ditsotsi ba nka di chance se ba isa ntho ena direction e nngwe jwanong hore phela. Remember bafethu, this much and much thing now, as far as I understand it, is not about color of the skin, it's not about the language, because in South Africa we have 12 languages officially, of which hona le 13 e tlameleng e kene ya makhosana, right? Hona le yona tlameleng e kene da. So taba ya language a se yona issue mo, and taba ya pleke hore wena o tswa Ghana, wena o tswa Swaziland, wena o tswa Ethiopia, no, it's not an issue as well. Why one? Because this thing in South Africa belongs to all who live in it. But what the March and March is about documentation. Wena e country yo document e be le dipampiri tsa hao, wa bona ka tsela e leng di system di sebetsa ka teng. Just do that and then we got South Africa. We are loving people, hence ubona le national anthem nishilo la ukuthi inama languages amaningi. And remember, there are other languages who are out of this. Now, but they are involved, they are South Africans. Not to go to a language also feel stronger than law.
Superior.
Yeah, than law. No. We are all equal. So even no Mr. Mkhunu 49. Ngizwile kuno ubaba ubuzile lapho nalentata yabutitse umono are. Hey man, honakala bona jwale da TV ya ka diphanga jwale le sabatho la. Batho ba bale ya jwale ntwe ke ntwa phele re bona. Wa ibona ke ntwa re bona. So I like ke batla ntho go Mr. Mkhunu naye ubone baba ukuthi ukuba I leadership what you are showing out there ingayenza something kwabanye abantu. Yabona phela masibonela kude nathi kuma social media rabona kwawo lelwantsha bathu hi. Wabona mara halebuwa legcina selerebe yanqondo ngothi no aselwe nabantu kunje. Yabona but lokho nikuvezayo yona phoso elehlayisa.
You must lead by example.
Yanthola lona lihlamile libe careful bafethu re bona ngolona as the leaders more careful as the leaders how the leadership. Now I like the fact that ke batla o bula fela youth mahlo. Hore ba shebe leadership hore ho etsuwa jwang. Wanthola phela youth is learning automatically. Even us, people like me, I'm learning to you guys. I'm learning to you. But le shebe nna ke batla lebe le nahane le batho be le ba leadang hore le bona ba bohlale le bona ba ka sheba le bona ba ka nka diqeto entle ke bona ba nka diqeto. One thought I like to tell no Mr. Phakela umthakathi lapho ukuthi you know kunento encane nje ongayikhuluma uthola ukuthi so much izinto eziningi things like nomzwile asho athi uye oqale lento or yeah something like that uye oqale lento yakamashi uye oyileadayo uye ozosho ukuthi amamashi ayenzakala kuphi. That was a great statement ngimzwe kahle ukuthi utheni bekakhulumela kule igebengu yabo. Yeah, these criminals that are turning this are taking advantage of March and March. They are taking pictures and then they are doing crime, like looting or organizing illegal march of their own, but in the name of March and March and his face, which is very wrong, Faith. Which is wrong, Faith. But now, I be careful ukuthi leyo ukuthi uye iqalile nani ingayenza ama journalist wethu, because what I'm scared of ama journalist wethu babuza imibuzo wrong ezoyenza ukuthi kube nama answer wrong. Yabo why is xenophobic? Why ne attack abantu? You understand? It shouldn't be that way. Le mbuzo ya manipulatorana. Yabona. So magazokhuluma nge-leadership or the founder of March and March. No, March and March bafethu, there is no one leader there. It's all leaders by South African citizens. Yabo. That's how March and March I understand. They are just mouthpiece. Yabona. A leader among leaders. So lama journalist azophoka into bese kuthiwa bese bakhona ukubuza imibuzo ye-leadership baniqabanise la ukuthi hawu kahle who is the founder, because we hear Phakela Mthathakathi said Jasinga when you are not the founder it seems like when you are not the leader what are you. Uyabona ukuthi bazofaka enye into bafethu. So please be careful nani lapho ku-leadership and be always clear. I heard that now you are clear as a leader. Be consistently clear every day. Indaba yokuthi akulewa la. It doesn't matter where you are coming from. I don't want to name places. It doesn't matter where you are coming from, because I understand ukuthi this match is not about going to okay, let me put it that like this. There is no citizen in South Africa that has a right to block a person on the road and say, hey, pay pass. I don't understand it that way. No. Only the officials has a right to do that. So the march is to our government.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
I remember you once said something along the lines of we as black people have internalized apartheid.
Yeah.
And so when you say that, like black people stopping people on the street,
it
kind of triggered that thought. Like now we are acting like white people now.
Yeah. You see, no, we are killing ourselves that way. Yeah, it's like we inherited apartheid in us. With the hate, because this thing of now I understand it's not about where you are coming from or something. And it's not about attacking anyone. It's about documentation for all of us, because documentation e sebetsa ho rona kaofela wa bona hobane ha o bolaetswe ngwana o batla a tholahale motho at least wa tseba hore ngwana hao ha no khutla mara o batla motho wa tholahale at least. So just imagine o bolaetswe ngwana and then motho ha tholahale bafethu. Everyone in the world ha ona motho a tlameleng a thekiwe, so in leadership, Buffett, not to say I'm reprimanding you guys here, I'm showing you. No, I'm just putting my opinion right there. And ibatla niqabanga ukuthi kunabantu futhi abaqabanga different, abathatha lento different, because I still say those who are looting, those who are criminalizing things in terms of march, in the name of march and march, they must go to prison. Bakwallwe bao ba tlamile bakwallwe le ha ntse ba tla dipampiri wena bathong weekend le ponesa tlamile ba kwalle wrong, because it's not about color, as I said. It's not about place where you're coming from, as I said. It's not about the language you speak, as I said. Not the way that I understand. It's not about that. We are just saying documentation in a right way, because which is the right way? The system way. The laws that are in our parliament, because every political party through GNU, VA, there are lawmakers there. There are lawmakers there. If we want to fight, there is ways without violence to fight. Everyone, from parliament to us here, no one has to be violent. Because maybe if we're now I won't die, now I know myself, now I'm not scared. No. It's not about being scared. Why even we even have to go there? I'm sorry. Why we even have to go there, whereas we have the mind about especially as leaders out there. That's a leader. Gone are those days here the boss. Now the leader. No, only leader wena. I'm not talking about people, only leader. I'm not scared of you. No, only leader outside we want for you. Nah, as I think about the leaders, Buffett. Only leader when outside we want for you. You keep it to yourself. Because people might take that. And redirect this to the wrong way. People that you are leading. Remember, we don't think like you. We might agree to the idea that you are showing us.
The vision.
The vision. But now we can think for ourselves. And we analyze things in our way.
Yes.
So you must be careful of that if you are a leader. I was not criticizing anyone, Buffett. Now I'm just educating our young ones more in this. Gone are those days, Buffett, reception the power, I'm powerful. Why are you radar? No. Powerful physically? Go work, nigga.
Oh, yeah.
Go work. If you are powerful physically. Hey. Go lift heavy things there with your physicality. It's got to go. And above it, to fix things peaceful. It doesn't mean you are a coward. It doesn't mean you are stupid. It means you are smart. You are clever to think about the future. Your kids. You know,
Yeah.
your kids. If you want them to live peaceful or in this world peaceful, just start wena now. Spread peace as a leader, even when you speak, because your words are powerful.
Yes.
Are gonna be listened to. Your words. So be emotionally intelligent, Buffett. That's how I can explain it. Be emotionally intelligent. I know you are smart, you are educated. You are educated, I respect that. You know history, you know this, you know that, you know that. But you must know this as well. You must know this as well. You must remember always this as well. Wabona? Yeah. Uskabuwa ntho, don't feel something when it suits you. As a leader. No. You don't say something when it suits you. How you gonna benefit wena personally. No. As a leader, you must abolish personality. Come to that level of a child. Ubue nnete.
Yes.
Ubue nnete. Mo leng wrong as a leader, o kopa tshwarelo. Mo leng right as a leader, you explain it thoroughly, time and time again, if people don't understand according to your pace. As a leader, you must understand those issues. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Keep up the spirit. But don't forget, we don't need any violence. I'm not talking about a fight. I'm talking about war. War. What's a Bantlantalax? Maybe. I get a golf. I'm saying golf. What? Highly war. Never say born a golf. Never say born. So I'm happy, Buffett, already. You are getting along. You are getting along. Thank you very much, South Africans. See you next time. Ayo.